Hi guys, how are you doing? Hey, when in moto. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing amazing. We're back again with another video. Nathan is sick, but we have to cook. We'll cook and then attend to Nathan later. He has a fever. He's so hot. Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Nzisa Ucheng and I do a lot of motherhood content, lifestyle content. Welcome to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch our videos. We love you so much. Love you so much. Anyway, we're about to make dinner. And my baby is not feeling well. I don't know how we are going to do this, but we have to make dinner. So we're making Mbuta. I don't know if you know Mbuta. This is Mbuta. Got it from my mom from the village. She brought it from the village. So we're going to make that for dinner. We're going to make stew with this and ugali. Okay, so come along with us as we make dinner. Please, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, and leave us a comment down in the comment section. Let's get into the cooking. Okay. So this is matoke for tomorrow. This is going to be our lunch. My baby is not feeling well, so I don't want to have to do anything tomorrow. Okay? Yes, and these are my nails.
She did her nails, guys. She did her nails.
So here we're going to be making, this is water for ugali. We're going to make the fish here. Baby, Nathan, you're feeling bad? I'm so sorry, my love, okay? A little bit of oil. Okay, Mr. Kim after me. You're feeling bad? I'm so sorry. Okay? Do you want to go to the doctor? You don't want the doctor?
Hi, Baba.
Okay?
Hi, baby yetu. Kababa.
I'm sorry. Sit here for mommy. Oh, there. Don't move, okay? Let me get kitunguu. We cook. Yes. Are you going to eat? You'll eat? Do you want to see camera? You don't want camera today? You don't want to see yourself here? You don't want? Okay, kisses. I'm sorry. You'll be well. What if we go to the doctor? No? No doctor for Nathan? Okay, so as usual, I do onions and green bell peppers together. Yeah. We'll let them cook till they're golden brown. Then we add our tomatoes.
Can you say Dada's name? Can you say?
Say Dad.
Clap, clap, clap.
Clap.
Hands are clapping. Clap, clap, clap.
Yay.
Hands are clapping. Clap,
Clap,
clap, clap. Clap your hands, it baby.
Hey.
Fingers are wiggly. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Fingers are wiggly. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Fingers are wiggly. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle the fingers.
Onions are ready. Oh, play.
Me play.
Onions are okay like this. Yes, my love. Do. Okay, we are going to pick it. It's not do, but we will pick it. Put our tomatoes. And we're going to put it. Want to go down? Do you want to go down? With a good cube. It is color black. The dodo is color black.
Dania.
Ni kadogo ndo kana kanatembea.
Oh, guy,
Unaona hiyo kitu tiny.
Guy, na mimi nisema Dania. We.
Baba.
Tunatoka kiona hiyo anaenda kuishika.
Tiny kadogo. Hey. Tiny dodo. Put in Royco cube. Yes, it is so tiny. So nisaidia curry powder. Put in cube, curry powder. Let us soy sauce tuweke kidogo. Soy sauce. Just a little bit. Little bit of curry powder. Imagine ishachemka. Ndio ugali. Okay. We're going to cover this and let it cook. Let the tomatoes cook. You found it?
Our water is ready. It is also boiling, guys.
The black one. Yes. Don't move, okay? You just sit there. Make ugali. We make the ugali as the tomatoes cook there. I think I add a little bit of hot water. You want something, baby? You're okay? What do you want? Are you okay? What do you want, baby boy? That Dudu is giving you stress. You've seen it again? Akitule tuvitu unaona mimi hata sio.
Okay.
I'm going to remove it, okay?
Give me some.
Hata mimi sijaona hiyo Dudu anasema.
Yes? I found it.
Where?
It's here.
It's moving.
Yes, it's moving. Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Take Dudu. Mom,
Yes.
Dudu.
I take it.
Dada.
Don't move, okay?
Dada. Dudu. Daddy.
Dada said you step on Dudu when you see Dudu.
You see Dudu, what do you do?
Here.
Tell Dada you are up. Tell Dada you are up. You can't step on it.
Daddy.
Yes.
I put you down.
Here, Dudu.
Do you want to go down? Do you want to go down? I put you down. Okay. Don't move, okay? I'm going to remove the Dudu.
Nataka kuna usingizi.
I'm going to remove the Dudu for you. I think. What's brother?
Kama kata kufunika kwa ndozi.
Dudu. Another Dudu.
No, this one.
Sprinkle cube.
Yeah.
I think. You want peanut butter? I think the tomatoes are okay now. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to make a stew so that I can add the fish to boil. Alright.
Here's the ugali.
Now moving Baba, okay?
Then the lunch.
Don't move, okay?
Matoke.
I don't want you to fall.
Lana amesema nitakuwa pia ugali.
So this is not like going to be enough water. We'll still add
Wewe amesema anawapika leo ugali.
because the fish needs to boil. To boil kabisa.
Mommy.
Yes.
Dudu
Yes,
walking.
piece of bread.
Daddy. Mom.
Yes, my love.
Dudu is walking.
Dudu is working.
It's here.
Ui.
No,
No, Lan. Tutachomeka hapo.
There.
Dudu
Dudu.
is there. Okay. Don't move, Baba,
Yeah,
okay?
it's our root.
Dudu is fast. We're going to add this. Ooh, sorry, Baba. We're going to add this coconut cream and then add water now. Let it boil. Does it have salt? Yeah, wow. Baka tu onyesha nakata na meno.
Ila Afrika home. Memshika mkojo bado anataka kushika hii mwiko.
Hii baka tuna sijakata na meno. Nakata. Kata na kisu. This one is called coconut cream. Say coconut cream. Good job. Yes, this is coconut cream. Ile ndio namwagika. Ile ya nini ndio inachomeka zile moto zangu. Nasikia kitu ni kama inachomeka.
Mommy,
I feel like there is still a lot of coconut inside. I'm putting coconut so that it can be yummy in your tummy.
no.
You don't like with the one with coconut?
I
You will like it, my love.
no.
Yes.
No.
We have some water.
Putting
I'm putting water now. I'm making soup. This fish moja itakuwa na coconut. Yes.
Mom, I need soup.
Yes, you'll drink soup. I know you like soup. You'll drink soup.
And the water.
Yes, water is what makes soup, Baba. You make soup with water and this fish.
Mom.
Very
Yes.
kichwa.
This is doing hello.
Hainusu.
Hata hii si nusu, I think tunapata. But now we are not supposed to stir the fish so that it does not break. So see you guys. Ugali is ready. This is also almost ready. By the way, we did not like kaanga. We just boil everything together. Yeah, that's how I like it. So that's almost ready as well. Now what we have to wait for is the fish. But ugali is ready. After boiling for 1000 years, this is ready. The soup is ready, the fish is ready. So we serve now. Is your mbuta.
Malize. So guys, this is our dinner. Our mbuta, ugali, and avocado, guys. So this is our dinner. This is what we're going to eat for dinner. It looks delicious. It is delicious, guys. It is delicious. It's going to be delicious. Now, guys. So, guys, see you on our next video. For now, it's a bye-bye. We love you. Mwah. See you soon. So guys, it's a bye-bye. See you on our next video. We love you. We appreciate you. What on our next video. So we're going to eat dinner really late. Not this late. Now it's in the country.